The power of simplicity, unveiling Python's allure. In the ever-evolving realm of programming languages, Python stands out as a beacon of both power and simplicity. Its versatility, coupled with its user-friendly approach, has propelled it to the forefront of diverse fields, from web development to scientific computing. This essay delves into the key characteristics that have solidified Python's position as a language of choice for programmers of all levels. One of Python's defining attributes is its universality. Unlike languages confined to specific domains, Python transcends boundaries. Whether you're crafting dynamic web applications, crunching numbers for complex data analysis, or building intelligent algorithms for machine learning, Python offers the necessary tools and libraries to bring your ideas to life. This versatility empowers programmers to tackle a wide range of projects without the need to learn multiple languages. Another cornerstone of Python's appeal is its approachability. Unlike some languages with complex syntax and strict typing rules, Python embraces a natural language-like structure. This makes reading and understanding Python code intuitive, even for those new to the world of programming. This gentle learning curve allows beginners to grasp fundamental concepts quickly, fostering their confidence and propelling them towards a deeper understanding of programming principles. Furthermore, Python's interpreted nature streamlines the development process. Unlike compiled languages, where code needs to be translated into machine code before execution, Python code is run line by line. This eliminates the need for a separate compilation step, leading to a faster development cycle. Additionally, any errors are identified and addressed during execution, making debugging a more efficient and less frustrating experience. Python also thrives on its dynamic typing. This means that data types are not explicitly declared for variables, offering greater flexibility and conciseness compared to statically typed languages. While this might raise concerns about potential errors, Python's robust error handling mechanisms ensure smooth program execution and efficient troubleshooting. Finally, Python's rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks is a testament to its vibrant and supportive community. These readily available building blocks provide pre-written code for various functionalities, saving programmers time and effort. Whether you need to interact with databases, visualize data, or build sophisticated machine learning models, there's likely a Python library waiting to empower your project. In conclusion, Python's unique blend of simplicity, power, and versatility has earned it a well-deserved reputation as one of the most popular and influential programming languages today. Its approachable nature fosters a welcoming environment for beginners, while its extensive capabilities empower seasoned programmers to tackle complex challenges. As the technological landscape continues to evolve, Python's ability to adapt and innovate ensures its continued relevance in the ever-changing world of programming.